Fully furnished 3-story townhouse with garage centrally located and about a block from the beach, near the interstate and several restaurants and attractions. Relax on one of the many balconies that this newly renovated property offers. The living area on the second floor has an open floor plan and fully equipped kitchen. The primary suite, utility closet with full-size washer and dryer, and second bedroom with bath are located on the third floor. Rent includes all utilities, electric up to $100 per month. Linens are not included. No pets or smoking. Available October 1, 2022, January 2023. Available to show after September 24, 2022.